Welcome, here I've got HUAWEI MatePad 11 and let me show you how to turn on and off camera gridlines at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to left side and tap to settings icon so we can open camera settings. Now we have to slide a little bit and focus on general category. Here at the first place we have assistive grid option, so by using the button from the right we can easily turn on and turn off camera grid lines as we need. Now let me keep them turned on, and when we move back to the camera we get access to these lines in the preview. They are useful, for example, when we want to use the rule of thirds in photography or making experiments with composition at the picture. And of course remember that these lines are not visible at the real photo, so when I take a picture and when we go to the button under the shutter that follows us straight to the gallery, we can't see them, so the grid lines are only to help us taking better photos. And of course when we don't need them, we have to move back to left settings, slide down to general and tap to assistive grid to turn them off. So for now in the preview the grid lines have gone. That's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave a thumbs up.